Hey everyone. So if you're a Roblox player on PS5, I'm sure you've run into this one massive headache. You can't create a private server. It's super frustrating, right? Well, today we are going to fix that. I'm going to show you the workaround. Let's just dive right in. I mean, seriously, who hasn't? You get your crew together, you're all hyped to jump into a game, and all you want is your own little world, A place to hang out without any random players messing things up. That is the dream. And then you hit it. The moment you go to create that private server on your PlayStation, the button, the option, it just isn't there. It feels like you've slammed into a brick wall. But what's really going on is a known limitation of the PS5 version. So what's the deal here? Is it a bug? Nope. It's actually a specific choice for the Roblox app on PlayStation. It probably has something to do with Sony's platform policies, their whole development framework. But look, the good news is, there's a really clever way around it. This is really the heart of the issue. On a computer or your phone, creating a private server is just a standard built-in feature. But on PlayStation, that option is completely missing. But please don't sweat it. A simple and honestly pretty effective workaround exists, and we're about to walk through it step by step. All right, to pull this off, you are going to need a few things. Think of it like your mission toolkit. And don't worry, it's all simple stuff. You probably have all of it sitting around you right now. Okay, so you need your PS5, obviously. You also need another device, a phone, a tablet, a laptop, whatever. The key ingredients here are your main Roblox account and a second, brand new Roblox account. It's totally free to make one. And you might need a few Robux, but honestly, a lot of these servers are super cheap or even free. Now, before we jump into the main method that most people use, let's cover the absolute easiest way to do this. If you happen to have a friend who plays Roblox on their PC or on mobile, your life is about to get a whole lot simpler. It is honestly this easy. Your friend does all the heavy lifting. They create the server on their device. All you have to do is hop on your PS5, go to your friends list, find their name, and hit Join Game. And bam! You're in their private world. But what if you want to be the one calling the shots? Okay, now for the main event. This is the solo mission. This is what most players do because it puts you in complete control. You're in the driver's seat and you don't have to rely on anyone else's schedule. First things first, we gotta do a little prep work. Grab your phone or computer and create a brand new, totally free Roblox account. Then, from that new account, you're going to send a friend request over to your main PS5 account. Just log on your PS5, accept it, and that's it. You've just built the secret bridge that makes this whole thing work. All right, staying on your phone or computer, log in with that new account. Go to the game page you want, click on the Servers tab, and you'll see Create Private Server. Go ahead and click that. Now you just give your server a cool name and pay the Robux fee, if there is one. So how much is this going to set you back? Usually not much at all. We're talking like 10 to 200 Robux a month for most games. Some are even free. Just remember, this is a monthly subscription. But don't worry, I'll show you how to manage that in a bit. Okay, listen up. This next bit is the single most important step in the entire process. I cannot stress this enough. In the server's configuration settings, you have to find the little toggle that says Allow Friends to Join, and make sure it is turned on. If you miss this one step, the whole thing falls apart. This is the key that unlocks the door. And now for the magic trick. On your phone or PC, use your new account to actually join the private server you just made. Then switch back over to your PS5. Go to your friends list and you'll see your new account's name right there, showing that it's playing. All you do is select it and hit Join Game, and that's it. You are in your very own private server on your PS5. So you've got this awesome new power, but let's make sure you know how to use it like a pro. We've got a few tips and some quick fixes for common problems to make sure your private server experience is absolutely perfect. So you might be thinking, was all that effort worth it? Oh, yeah, 100%. You get a lag-free, way safer space to play with just your friends. It is perfect for trading valuable items without getting scammed, for recording videos, or just, enjoying the game without random people ruining the fun.
Okay, if you hit a snag, these are the usual suspects. If you can't join the game from your PS5, I bet you it's that allow friends to join setting. Go double check it. Worried about getting charged every month? Just go into the server settings and turn off auto renewal right after you buy it. And if a game seems way too expensive, just shop around. Some games have cheaper or even free servers. Oh, and if you don't see a create button at all, that just means that specific game doesn't support them.
And hey, here's a great little hack if you don't want to spend any Robux. Use that second account on your phone or PC to go server hopping. Find a public server that's almost empty, like with only 1 or 2 people in it. Have your second account join that server, and then just jump in from your PS5 using that same friends list method. It's not perfectly private, but it's the next best thing, and it's totally free. So let's do one last super quick mission recap. First, create a second Roblox account on a different device. Second, make your 2 accounts friends. Third, use that new account to create the server. Fourth, and this is the critical one, enable allow friends to join. And finally, join the game from your PS5 using your friends list. That's the whole playbook.
And there you have it. You've officially beaten the system. You've bypassed the PS5's big limitation. You now hold the keys to your own private Roblox kingdoms. So the only question left is, what world are you going to explore first? Thanks for joining us.